Good morning, everyone. So, today we are going to start with the grammar part. The chapter name is voice. Yes, what do you mean by voice? Yes, it is a sound. Okay, so but according to dictionary, the word meaning of voice is sound. Yes, but according to the grammar part, what is basically a voice? Yes, voice is a form of verb which shows whether the subject of the sentence is doing some action or receiving some action. Yes, okay, so basically we are going to see what is voice and their types. So what is voice in grammar? Voice is the term used to describe whether a verb is active or passive. Yes, here two types are there, one active voice and one passive voice. Okay, let's see. In other words, when the subject of the verb is doing the action of the verb. Yes, as I have said, when the subject means we. Yes, subject, when the subject is doing the action on the verb. The example, let's see, the dog bit the postman. Yes, dog has bitten the postman. कुत्ते ने postman को काटा है. Okay, the verb is said to be in the active voice. Why it is said to be in the active voice? Always we have to see first subject, verb and then the object. Yes, in the sentence. When these three will be in order, subject, verb and object, then it is an active voice. Okay, so always first we have to remember on which the doing the action of the verb. Yes, the verb is when we are doing the action on the verb, it is known as active voice. And whereas in passive voice, let's see, when the subject of the verb is being acted upon. Yes, किसके ऊपर main क्रिया चल रहा है. Yes, that is the postman was bitten. Yes, the dog bit the postman was active voice, and the postman was bitten by dog, it is the passive voice. So in the in the active voice, always subject, verb and object will come, whereas in the passive voice, always object, verb and subject will come. Okay, the verb is said to be the passive form. So the voice of the verb tells us whether the subject is acting or being acted upon. Okay, let's see. Now what is active voice? If the subject is performing the action, then the verb is said to be in the active voice. Okay, let us look at the example here. The dog ate our turkey. Yes, turkey is a bird, everyone knows it. Okay, so the dog ate our turkey. So first, always, what did I said before? Always in active voice, the subject should come. Then ate is the verb and our turkey is the object. So subject did the verb. Yes, the dog ate. कुत्ते ने खाया है turkey को. Right? So always in active voice, it will come if the subject is performing the action. Yes, the subject अगर खुद काम कर रहा है तो उसे हम active voice we are going to call it. Okay? Let us look at the passive voice. What is the passive voice? If the subject is having the action done to it, then the verb is said to be in the passive voice. Already अगर action किया हुआ है, yes, then it is known as the passive voice. Now let us see the example. Our turkey was eaten by the dog. Yes, our turkey become the subject, was eaten, the passive verb, and by the dog is the object. So always remember action already हो चुकी है. Yes, कुत्ते ने already turkey को खाया है. So it is passive voice. Let's see. Active voice and passive voice. Here I have given you all the difference between them. In active voice, it tells us about a person or thing that does. The subject performs the action, that is verb on the object. Subject, I have said, subject plus verb plus object it should come. And in passive voice tells us about what is done to someone or something. The subject is being acted upon. Then in passive voice पहले object आएगा, then verb आएगा, then subject आएगा. Okay, just remember this formula. Okay, and here let us see the example of both this. First active, Anna painted the house. Yes, in passive what it will come? First object we have to bring this side. Yes, first pick the house is the object. Okay, the house was painted by Anna. Okay, now again let us see the second example. The teacher always answers the student's question. Yes, passive may first you'll have to underline here. What is the subject? The teacher. Yes, always answer is the verb and the student's questions is the object. Now let us see in the passive voice. Passive voice का formula क्या है? Object plus verb plus subject. So हमें पहले क्या करना है? The student's questions are answered by the teacher. Yes, पहले object लिया मैंने, फिर verb लिया and then the subject I had took. Okay, and the last example, Ali posted the video online. Who will like to answer me? Yes? Yes, the video was posted online by Ali. Okay, so is it simple? Let us see more further examples. Now here I have given the table to you. When changing sentences from active into passive, the tense of the verb undergoes a change. Study the table. Yes, and it is there in your textbook also. So when it is, I have taught you all tenses. Okay, so these are the tenses. Again we have to change in the active and passive voice. Okay, in the exam if I will ask, change the words from sentence from active and make it passive. So you all should remember this chart. So please learn it. Now let us see present simple. In active voice, Sudha writes a letter. Yes, in passive क्या होगा? पहले object आएगा, verb, then subject will come. A letter is written by Sudha. Okay, in present simple. Now present continuous, Sudha is writing a letter. A letter is being written by Sudha. Okay, in present perfect, Sudha has written a letter. A letter has been written by Sudha. Present perfect continuous, Sudha has been writing a letter. A letter has been cannot change into passive. Yes, Sudha has been writing a letter. Yes, so it will be as it is. Okay, so for this is the table. Please learn it. Yes, it will be important. It is very important for you all, so that you all will understand further. Okay, so just go through this table, try to learn it, and it is very simple. Okay, let's see one more example of it. Active and passive voice. First, the cat drank the milk. Yes, cat ने क्या किया? Milk पिया. Okay, the cat drank the milk. So the milk was drunken by cat. You all can write it further also. The milk was drunken by cat. Okay, so active में क्या होना चाहिए? Which formula we should use? Subject, verb and object. And in passive what we have to use? Object, verb and subject. Okay, just जब भी first subject आएगा active में, तो passive में first object आना चाहिए. Okay, so always remember these two formulas. It is very easy. And again, the lion ate the mouse. Yes, passive में कैसे करना है? The mouse was eaten by the lion. Yes, so just remember the tenses I have taught you all, and according to it you all have to perform. So for that you all have to learn that table and keep. Okay, have you all understood till here? If any doubts, please let me know. Okay, so basically voice are, once more I will like to take your recap. There are two types of voices, the active voice and the passive voice. Okay, in active voice we have to see where the action is been doing. Yes, and in passive voice where it is being acted upon. Okay, so there is two formulas for it. For active voice it is subject, verb and object, and for passive voice it is object, verb and subject. Okay, so always we have to remember how to change it. Okay, in which tense we have to make it, always remember that. For that I have given the table there, so please learn it, and it's very easy. So if any doubts, we will meet in the next lecture. Thank you.